Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching all of the job boards daily, trying our best to weed out the scams, bringing you just the best jobs that are hiring remote work from home right now. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and you can always find links to any of the pages that I'm sharing, as well as timestamps to navigate around the video in the YouTube description box that's generally located below the video. Now today we have 3 different part-time job leads. We have things like part-time data entry. We even have 2 full-time job leads. One of them is from Shake Shack and the other one is responding to social media comments. They are paying up to $32 an hour for you to answer these social media comments. I don't think any of these require any kind of college degree, and they are for the United States only. First up, we have the company Book of the Month. They have 55 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time freelance reader for crime fiction books. So if you love reading, this might be the perfect way to make a little bit of extra money. But they are looking for somebody to basically read forthcoming manuscripts as assigned, evaluating their potential for the Book of the Month audience. So you are going to read the book, submit written feedback and recommendations in the provided format that they give you, advocating clearly and strongly for the titles that you believe are excellent and will be great fits for the Book of the Month, and then of course not advocating for the ones that you don't feel are a good fit. So you're trying to weed out those titles that are not strong enough to be the Book of the Month selections. Now you will have to attend like online calls or meetings as needed. No college degree is needed, just somebody who is a fast reader. They're looking for somebody who can read at least 3 books a week, somebody who has familiarity with crime fiction, somebody who is a great written communicator, and at least 1 year of experience reading or evaluating books in some kind of a professional context. Now, sadly, this one did not list the pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you're looking for part-time data entry, Marriott International is hiring the hotel chain brand. They have 20,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a data entry clerk part-time. This just involves entering and retrieving information contained in their computer databases, transmitting information or documents on a computer, just verifying information on the computer screens in the documents. So you are making sure, double checking these documents for accuracy and completeness, just entering anything into their database. You're probably working with customer data like reservations, things like that. They're really just looking for somebody who can follow their policies and procedures, somebody who has great communication skills, someone who can be professional. Now, because this is a remote position, pay is going to be dependent on where you live, but can go anywhere from $18.50 an hour up to $24 an hour. Now, please note they are accepting applications till about January 12th of 2025. Next up, we have BJC Healthcare hiring. They have 2,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time remote call center specialist. So this one is going to require you to be on the phone. Pay is going to be dependent on things like experience and location, but goes anywhere from $15 an hour up to $23.88 an hour. And they're looking for somebody to basically facilitate the patient's healthcare needs in a wide variety of things that the patient might need, like event registration, patient navigation, supporting the MyChart patient portal. So if patients have questions on how to get into the MyChart patient portal, how to set up, get their password created, things like that, you're really going to be helping them with all of those things. You will manage a high volume of phone calls. You'll also have to do their emails and chats, but they only require a high school diploma or GED and less than 2 years of experience. It doesn't really say that they require anything else. Now, if you're looking to kind of respond and answer social media questions, Princess Cruise Lines is hiring. They have 1,300 reviews from past and current employees with that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home, social media, guest support, and recovery lead. Now, please note, while this is 100% remote, they have a few select states that they cannot hire in because they're not currently set up to hire in, probably due to business registration and tax laws. Those states are listed right here, but if you live in any other state, they are looking for somebody to help create and publish content to their cruise vacation planner Facebook page, interacting with those online communities and audiences. So you are basically collaborating with the sales team, monitoring those social media channels, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Monitoring the direct messages that come in from guests, comments, mentions, and reviews related to the business or the brand, and you're going to answer those comments or those messages. You're addressing those customer questions, concerns, and complaints in a timely and empathetic manner, just providing accurate and helpful information when you respond to those either social media messages or social media comments. So you're really analyzing social media data and metrics, kind of just managing the overall social media pages for Princess Cruise Lines for their vacation planners. Now, no college degree is needed with this one either, just 2 years of relevant experience in either direct customer service or some kind of marketing or content editing. So if you've got customer service experience, you've worked in retail or something before, they will accept that. Great communication skills, somebody who has knowledge of kind of online marketing, or at least you understand those online channels, strong listening skills, time management and organizational skills. Of course, you've got to be able to work in the United States. And pay for this one is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but starts at $23.75 an hour and goes up to $32.07 an hour. Now, next up, we have Shake Shack hiring. Shake Shack has 1,900 reviews with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an operations services coordinator. Now, this is remote for the United States. They are looking for somebody to coordinate all aspects of their operations. This means that you are going to make sure all the staff is trained and everything like that. So you're really administering their LMS or learning module system, moderating any LMS issues, troubleshooting errors, organizing content received from the training design team, just tracking and monitoring all those reports or all the issues that are reported by the administrators. You're kind of cataloging documentation within the approved templates, drafting communications related to SOP improvements, or like SOPs are generally like documentation or your standard operating procedures that you are given when you are an employee of Shake Shack that you must follow. And so you are basically drafting communications related to those, saying this needs to be updated, changed, improved. So you are basically overall making sure that the operations of everyone is complete and in line with all of the company policies and standards. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 1 to 3 years of work experience, kind of like related work experience. You've got to have strong computer skills, specifically know how to do like PowerPoint presentations, things like that. You've got to have a project management knowledge, be great at your organizational skills, a great communicator, and have great presentation skills. But pay is all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $22.16 an hour up to $35.67 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.